is done.
Okay, adverb of manner, it gives answer to the question how. Give example, beta.
Ma'am, the children laughed happily.
The children laughed happily. Happily is the adverb of manner. Okay, Gaurish, second type.
Yes, ma'am. Adverb of time, ma'am. It gives the answer of when.
Example.
Ma'am, example, I will go to cinema hall tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow is the adverb of time. Karthik and other students, hurry up, please. Only 3 students have raised their hand. Yes, Karthik.
Yes. Ma'am, third type is adverb of place. They tells us where an action is done. Ma'am, for example, he climbed up.
He climbed up. Okay, correct. Next, please. Ruhani, please tell me fourth type. रुहानी पहले अनम्यूट करते हैं बेटा.
मैम adverb of frequency.
Okay, example and which question it gives answer of?
Ma'am, it gives the answer of how and often. How something happens.
Just wait. It gives answer of how something happens.
How often something happens.
Give example, please.
Ma'am, we will go at party tonight. No, every night.
Every night.
We
Okay.
will.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Next, please. Bishop, tell me fifth type. Okay, Raghav, tell me fifth type.
Ma'am, adverb of degree.
Which answer it gives and example also. You muted yourself, I think. Yes, Harmeet, give me one example of adverb of degree.
Ma'am, those shoes are too big.
Okay, two is the example. How much? Very, too, quite, rather, etc. Okay. So, beta, next type of adverb is compound adverb. Okay, it's given on your page 95. Okay, next one is compound adverb. Compound adverb. This is the next type. Compound means generally compound हमने sentences भी किए थे if you remember. So generally it means two or more. ठीक है? So compound adverb is made up of two or more words. Two or more words. For example, it's given on page 95 only, like midway. Mid plus way, they have made one word midway. Okay? So the cars collided midway. Okay? Cars hit each other midway. So it gives answer of where. है ये adverb of place ही, but just formation wise I'm telling you that compounded adverbs are adverbs which are made up of two words. एग्जाम में अगर ये आपको आएगा you will underline and you will write simply adverb of place only. ठीक है? This is just the formation कि ऐसे भी adverb बन जाते हैं two words, three words को plus करके. Okay? Next one, ahead, a plus head, ahead. Again adverb of place. Hand in hand. Children are moving hand in hand. How they are moving? Hand in hand. This is adverb of manner. So some adverbs are made up of more than two or more words. So they are called compound adverbs. I hope it is clear. Compound adverbs होते ही वही है adverb of manner, place, time. Just they are made up of two or more words. Is it clear? So I am speaking one adverb. You will tell me whether it is time, manner, place, frequency, or degree. So the next adverb is we go there every day. Every plus day, every day. Which adverb it is? Yes, Gaurish. We go.
Ma'am, adverb of time,
Okay, is it correct, Karan?
or ma'am, I think adverb of degree or frequency.
You
Ma'am,
think
can you please repeat the sentence?
we go there every day. We go there
Ma'am, I
every.
think it will be adverb of place because in this place is mentioned.
Okay, I'm talking about only this word, not there. We go
Okay, ma'am.
to mall every day. चलो अब बताओ every
Ma'am,
day.
then I
No,
think it will be adverb of frequency.
Why so?
Ma'am, because it is telling how often we go there.
Yes, how many times we go there and how often we go there. So this is adverb of frequency, but it is made up of two words. So they are called compounded verbs. होते ही उसके types ही हैं, 5 types main. Just they have told you कि adverbs 2 or more words से भी ज़्यादा से बन सकते हैं. So this is called compound adverb. There is one little exercise also. You people will do it yourself, and then I'll send the answer key. Now next one is comparison of adverb. Please open next page, 96 page number. Comparison. Comparison of adverb. Like in adjective, we have comparison: beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, tall, taller, tallest. Similarly, in adverb also we are having comparative and superlative degree. For example, she runs fast. Then you have to write she runs faster than me. अगर then me आ गया तो क्या आएगा? Faster. She runs the fastest of all. So in adverb also we have positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. In adverb also we have simple degree, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. अच्छा, adjective में good की क्या होती है? Comparative and superlative. Who will tell me? Good. Yes, Chehak.
Yes, ma'am. Good, better, best.
Good, better, best. Similarly, in adverb, we have one word. She performs well. If you want to compare her performance, you will use better. She performs better than her. And she performed the best. In adjective, we have good, better, best. In adverb, we have well, better, best. Okay, well, better, best. Now, who will tell me in adjective, what is the comparative and superlative degree of Hermes? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Little.
Ma'am, more.
Little more.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, less.
Yes, less, least.
Less. Superlative is least.
In adverb, it is same. In adverb, it is same. ठीक है, little, less, least. ऐसे much, more, most, ये भी adverb में same है. And this is the most important one. Well, better, best. So they have given you tables on page number 96. You can just go through these tables. Fast, faster, fastest, long, longer, longest. Okay? Soon, sooner, soonest. So ER, EST, and then quickly. Quicklier होता है या more quickly होता है? So we don't write quicklier. He runs quicklier than me. No, he runs more. Yeah, he moves more quickly. So with these type of words, you can use more and most. Okay. Okay. Next one is formation of adverbs on page 97. After that, we'll do the exercises together. formation of adverb. How adverbs are formed. Suppose you have one word happy. How will you make the adverb? Please tell me, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will make the adverb like happily.
Happily. So you will remove this y and you will write down ILY. Okay.
And ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
मैम जो कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स था उसमें फास्ट की फास्टर और फास्टेस्ट दी हुई है मैम जब आपने यहाँ पे लिखवाया था तो आपने फास्ट मोर फास्ट एंड मैम उसके बाद द फास्टेस्ट लिखवाया था
No, it's not possible, beta. Fast, faster, fastest होगा.
मैम आपने जब लिखवाया था ना आपने लिखा था फास्ट मोर फास्ट देन मी एंड मैम आपने थर्ड लिखवाया था द फास्टेस्ट
नहीं बेटा faster आएगा. I don't know when I told you this thing. So when we did बेटा this topic.
मैम अभी जब आप जो अभी आप लिख रहे थे ना 3 डिग्री जब आप समझा रहे थे कि पॉजिटिव कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव मैम तब आपने
I wrote more fast.
मैम आई थिंक मैम मैंने देखा था तो आपने आई थिंक वो लिखा था
Okay, I don't remember. Always बेटा it is faster, fastest. ठीक है? Never more fast. More fast doesn't make sense. I don't know. Maybe आपको कोई कुछ और के साथ मैंने more लिखा होगा. You are just having illusion. So fast, faster, fastest always. ठीक है? किसी और के साथ मैंने more लिखा होगा. Maybe it just seemed like that. Okay. Next one, please, Gaurish. Gaurish, if you are having one word, kind, then how will you make the adverb?
Ma'am, I think kindly.
Exactly.
Ma'am, we will remove D and
You will simply add ly with the word with adjective. Most of the time adjective को हम adverb बनाते हैं, ठीक है? Okay, next one is comfortable. Comfortable. Who will make the adverb here? Jasmine. Jasmine, please.
Comfortably. Comfortably.
Spelling बेटा spellings भी बता दो.
Comfortably.
You will remove this e, everyone. ठीक है? Comfortable. Whenever e comes at last, you are supposed to remove that e. So जब e आ जाए तो remove it. Y आ जाए तो it will change to ILY, or simply any other word you can simply write down ly. ठीक है? So next one, last one is they are saying कि we can use conjunction also to make an adverb. Conjunction and, but, or, like that. Most of the time and is used. Now and then. Sometimes conjunctions can be used to make an adverb. Far and near. We use this car to go far and near. So again, adverb of place. So this is the formation of adverb. कि adverb बनते कैसे हैं? Most of the time 90% we use ly, ठीक है? And sometimes we use conjunction also. Now next, I think we have done the concept. Now we can do exercises. Before that, I just want to tell you the difference between rather and quite. This is the word that most of the students, they actually don't know. Rather, quite. So बेटा rather होता है to some extent, थोड़ा सा. Both are degrees, to some extent. Quite होता है more than rather. ये होता है थोड़ा सा more. You are quite late means you have actually come so late, like 2 hours late, 3 hours, बहुत ज़्यादा late आए हो. You are rather late means not so much, little bit. ठीक है? So rather is to some extent, not actually much, but quite is more than rather. ठीक है? So if you have to say something like कि कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है, तो then you can use quite. He was quite nervous. I am rather nervous. This means I'm not so much nervous. I'm little bit nervous. ठीक है? So rather is little bit, quite is much. Is it clear all? So rather is generally used in positive sentences most of the time. Not वाले sentences में rather avoid करना. And quite can come in both positive and negative. So rather is little bit, to some extent, and quite is much. If it is clear, please show me thumbs up, then we'll start the exercise. Hurry up, please. Okay. So rather, little bit, quite, बहुत ज़्यादा. ठीक है? So if I'll speak some sentences, can you just tell me whether rather would come or quite? So अगर rather आएगा तो please show me heart emoji, and quite आएगा तो show me thumbs up. Rather, heart emoji, quite, thumbs up. Okay, my first sentence is, you are dash late, you are not allowed to go inside. Jasmeet, you think rather is the answer? Others, it's correct. Jasmeet, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
You are rather late, you are not allowed. थोड़े से late हो, you are not allowed to go. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
You are quite late, much late. ठीक है? So you are not allowed to go inside. So he is dash nervous. This is natural. Okay. Correct, everyone. Those who are participating, it's correct, beta. So rather is little bit, quite is more. Tomorrow I'll give you at least 10 examples, and then you people will tell me the same way, okay, like you are doing so. Okay, now please open your exercises. Let's do now exercise. We were on exercise B, page 93, exercise B. You all have 2 minutes. Fill in the blanks and then we'll discuss. Page 93, B exercise. Page 93, B exercise. Sarang, any doubt?
I want to give answer.
You want to give answer? Just wait, beta. After 2 minutes, we'll discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's begin now. Gaurish 1, Sarang 2, Raghav 3. Please speak up.
Ma'am, first answer is given already usually. Can I give
Okay,
second answer?
second. Okay, second.
Yes, ma'am. Never give up. Try harder until you succeed.
Try hard until you succeed. Hard is, I think, more appropriate. Okay, next, Sarang, third one, please.
And ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask, Gaurish.
Ma'am, is very a adverb or
Degree.
something else?
Very is adverb of degree. Okay. How much? Yes, Sarang, third one.
Third is he reached the station usually late.
He reached the station. Repeat your answer.
Usually late.
Usually he reached the. अच्छा, अगर बेटा usually आना होता तो reaches आना था. Means this is his habit. और habit में first form of verb use होती है. So usually, often इनमें हमेशा first form आएगी. But here it is written reached. Past tense is there. Raghav.
Mr. Nair works often under pressure.
Okay, third one also, Raghav. Third one also. You muted yourself. Tell me third one also.
He reached the station always late.
Always बेटा again habit होती है इसमें first form of verb चाहिए. Second is there. Okay, Madhav. Madhav, third one.
मैम मैंने भी ऑलवेज ही लिखा था.
Okay, is there anyone who has written something different? Yes, Saksham.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written quietly.
Yes, exactly. He reached the station quite late, much late. Okay. Okay. So whenever second form is there, please don't use adverb of frequency like often, always, usually. They are generally used for habits. So habits में first form of verb आएगी. Okay. Okay. Next one is Bishop, then Gurnur.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5.
Yes, ma'am. This book is quite interesting.
Okay. Quite, very. Quite or very. Next, Gurnur, sixth one, beta.
These oranges are too sour. I can't eat them.
Too or very or so. Quite भी आ सकता है. Quite again means much. Okay. So next is Karthik, then Smriti, then Harmeet. In this order.
Yes, ma'am. Tina tries almost hard to please everybody.
Almost. Trina tries almost hard. थोड़ा weird लग रहा है बेटा. Any other option in your mind?
Ma'am, I think very.
Okay, very can be the answer. Very
And
hard,
ma'am?
so hard. Yes.
Ma'am, in third sentence, can we write he reached the station very late?
Very late. Yes, beta, आ सकता है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Smriti, please tell me next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have unmuted.
Okay, Smriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 8.
Rajat writes rather untidily. How can anyone read this?
If it is not readable, beta, then rather रहने दो क्योंकि rather means little bit. ठीक है? Quite लिख सकते हो और very लिख सकते हो. Because it is written that it is not readable. ठीक है? Means काफी ज़्यादा untidily लिखा होगा उसको. Okay, next one is Harmeet.
Yes, ma'am. I have started writing so much. The teacher finds my work better pretty.
I started writing so much? No. Okay, Raghav, what is your answer? Number 9.
I have started writing neatly. The teacher finds my work better now.
Exactly. Neatly and now. Next one is Adgun. Adgun, please tell me last answer. Yes, Adgun. You are not audible. Okay, Gaurish, please.
Yes, ma'am. The children walked. Ma'am, just a minute.
Adverb of
Ma'am, the children walked quietly into the hall.
Okay, quietly, excitedly, happily, cheerfully. So any adverb of manner can be there. Sad.
And ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in 6th and 10th, can we write extremely sore?
1 minute. Sixth one, extremely. These oranges are extremely sour. Yes, आ सकता है बेटा extremely. Exactly. Or which one? Which one? Next one.
Ma'am,
Stand.
ma'am, you are not audible.
I'm not audible. सिक्स्थ में बेटा एक्सट्रीमली आ सकता है. Okay, now next exercise. Am I audible, everyone? Karthik, am I audible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
So everyone please start doing C exercise. Options are already given. So you can just fill in the blank with correct options. Exercise C. You have 1 minute for that. Please fill in the blanks.